Other one's Mr. E, your step OG. We're in part two. I'm going to go ahead and plug in our TokyMaker to the wall unit and go ahead and turn it on now. Now, there might be some code on here already. So I'm 418 is my device number. Can you see that? You can't see that. Anyway, trust me, it's 418. So we're going to go ahead and click here, the Bluetooth. There it is, 418 is looking. Move this out of the way. Lost it. And we're going to click this, 418, and now we're paired. Maybe not. Try it again. Okay, now it's blue. You can see it's blue. We're paired up. We're good to go. Okay, so we're connected to our TokyMaker. Now you see I have some data here because I was kind of messing around before. If you ever want to get rid of something that, you just want to start over, then you just kind of go up to Control, Repeat, right? So repeat. It's going to repeat the codes in it. Nothing in here. So if I play that, then it's going to clear it out. So it's cleared out back to my 418. We're connected. So we're going to run a quick code. We're going to print some information because we want some information to come from this. Okay. So we're going to go into display. 3 pieces of code you need. You need to print screen. But before that, you need to come down here and I'm not sure you can see that. Let's see if I can bring it up a little bit. It's a little small, but okay, you can see it. So I'm down at the bottom here. I'm going to get clear and I'll make it a little bigger in a second. Like that, right? So make it a little bit bigger. So those are the 2 I wanted. Okay. Let me bring those up for you. They're here. And, oops, I'm sorry. They're here. Okay. All right. So those are the 3 we want, right? We first have to clear. Make that a little bit bigger. And we have to print and then we display. So I'm going to put the word sensor here. Oh, we'll just say hello. So we're going to say hello first, right? Nothing's over here. We're going to run this. There you have it. We said hello. Really easy, right? Now notice this is an input, right? So we're going to go to input and we're going to say read from 1, right? So I'm in 1. So I need to read from 1. But notice this won't go in there. I put it there, nothing happens, right? That's because this is just this part right here, just text. This is a value. Can't do that. So I'm going to go over here to where it says text. I'm going to use this. So notice under text, I have this one is text only and this one is text. And that blue means the number. So I'm going to use that instead. I'll put that there. And then I'm going to put my input 1 here. Right. And then we can say sensor. Right. And then we hit play. And that's, oops, something's wrong. Why is that not working? It doesn't, when it does that, it doesn't like so. So I clear, I print, I display, the word sensor, read input 1. Let's figure out what's going on here. Go ahead and disconnect that. And we'll reconnect it. There's nothing wrong with that code. And we'll try it again. All right, we'll just start all over it from that way. We'll close this down. Open it back up again. We'll connect it again. We connect it again. We'll hit repeat. Clear screen. Display screen. You want that. Screen input. Clear. Display. I need text. I need this one. Oops, let me take that out. And that. Input. And we said sensor, right? Space in there and see if it takes it this time. Not sure what's going on there. So we clear this up and now we can see it reads our sensor data. 0 to 100, 0 to 100, right? Okay, looks good. First two programs actually, right? It's that simple.